start by removing the clips from the frame feeder. These clips are optional. They can be used in place of the cap and ladder system. Simply snap one side on and the other and insert the feeder into your hive. Again, these clips are optional, only to be used if not using this cap and ladder system. We're going to go ahead and set up the frame feeder by inserting the ladder down into the feeding trough. On each side of the cap and ladder you'll find 3 tabs, so 6 total. We're going to snap them into place starting from the one end and going down to the other. Simply just firmly press and they'll snap right on. And you're done. Frame feeder should sit on the end